morning from IFS Cloud Royal Docks. Today we're going to be taking the London cable car over to the Greenwich Peninsula. Very excited for this. So this is our cable car. Number 36. It's nice inside. And we've got it all to ourselves. Can we even get it? So it's nice and comfortable. Oh, it's a bit firm.
Oh wow.
It's still alright.
Smile, Lisa.
Oh, smile.
Daddy, smile.
Daddy, what the fuck for?
Just look and smile.
With that man. It's very slow.
A Jack Sparrow.
It's very slow, and here is our route over to Greenwich Peninsula.
Oh, it goes faster when it goes. How fast it goes?
Can I go by the door now?
Yeah, look, so
Like
it
it
lifts
goes
off the
quite
cable.
simple.
That's what they do.
It looks like it
That's
goes
what they do
faster.
on ski lifts, on modern ski lifts. They lift off the cable.
So, we're departing, and you go a bit faster when you when you lift off. That's right. And it's empty. And here is the DLR.
That's a nice breeze.
Ooh, you can open the vents as well. Nice. I think the main part of this video will be seeing the video. It's one side. It's got the cable car house there, and we've got the SIP program. Yeah. And then over to the other side we've got the outtake and towards central London. So cool. Wow. It's like pole, and there is the cable car house, and there's the road down there.
Is that a sculpture? Look at that. All the way down the bottom there. It looks like a sculpture of a tree. Can you see it?
Daddy, please shush. I'll torture you after I finish my video.
It's also
What was your sculpture?
Right in front of us here, there's like a big, looks like a big tree. Can't be anything else, can it?
It's nosy. It's a 1000 foot tall animatronic. So what would we do if it fell into the water now? Would we die?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
I want to die.
you'd probably, there's a case under here. What's that case say on it?
It's probably got to have axe in it or something.
Yeah, maybe you can smash that case open and it might have like a glass hammer.
Will the impact be too much?
Can we try and get a nice picture up here of us all?
Okay.
Do you want me to take it?
Yeah, okay, well you
Well, I
can
get one of you three.
Catch me floating in circles.
That's somewhere.
Wait, I'm just trying to get.
London City Airport. And that's a DOR.
Just try and take this video. That wasn't very smooth. Try again.
Some funky things on here, like weird things. Dance in the crowd. Wow.
Come on, let's try and
Keep
get a
waving
picture.
there, Luca.
It's quite
Come on, before we get
You're
before
trying
we
to
start
me.
going on.
Come on,
Make it
quick,
better.
quick.
Have you got any
Somewhat-
viewing?
Well, yeah. If Luke puts his arm down, or I've got these big skyscrapers, I don't know. That's about cool.
That might be London City, you know. I don't know where it is. It might be on that
I hate
part.
myself. Oh, my head's like falling over.
Well, don't do it.
What?
I didn't know what it was. I was trying to just be in the
So
picture.
you're trying to do that thing of like, oh, what's with this?
No, I wasn't. I was trying to just be in
Hey,
the
go on.
picture.
Go on.
Look, put your phone down for a second.
You can just put. Listen.
Oh,
Luca, you're not enjoying the experience. You don't need to film everything. You enjoy
You
it.
need to stop
Enjoy
it
it in
and
the
then
moment.
just do a little bit.
It's very steep. It's going down here. Right. Come on. Come on.
Let's
Let's go.
get a picture. Come on, Nicole.
Twenty.
That's weird.
It's like a big sculpture here. Quite weird.
It goes really steep here.
It's a skyscraper here. We're landing into Greenwich Peninsula. Very steep.
What we're going to do is go out and have a sit for a few minutes and then go back.
Let's just see what's on this side.
I doubt there'll be a skate shop here. It's not a shopping in London. It's not central London. I doubt there'll be like a skate shop. And that's the end of our journey. And Thames over there. There's Greenwich Peninsula. I enjoyed that.
That was good, wasn't it?
Definitely recommend it. And also, if you have a bike, if you live in London and you take bikes, in the morning if you want to go to work at about that kind of time, you can get in them for free. So do that. That's right. So that's all for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Is that the London Eye or is that something else?
No, that's not the eye.
Looks like a roller coaster.
Don't know what that is.
So, can't even see.
Because we're in
the
East London, we're very east.
don't know what the froggle you mean.
We're not in central London, you know we're not.
I didn't.
We're miles away.
I didn't know. My geography's terrible. If you told me we were in Manchester,
There's a
I
hill
would
there.
believe you. What?
There's a hill.
We're in Manchester.
Oh, okay.
You've got the